Welcome back guys. From this video I'm planning to do a series on VoIP and here is the first video. So let's focus on the basics and the fundamentals. VoIP is a IP technology in a manner similar to how your computer uses your TCP/IP to transfer packets with data. So the main two protocol basics we need to focus on are signaling and the media protocols. Signaling is establishing a connection with the receiver and closing them to create a path for the media to transfer. The different types of signaling protocol are SIP, H323 and Skinny. SIP is the most common protocol and used in the 3G technology. H323 is mostly used by the enterprise, and Skinny is a Cisco protocol which is almost dead by now. It has headers. SIP is a session initiation protocol. It's a signaling protocol used to establish connection. It's like HTTP of VoIP. It has headers just like HTTP, and it cannot be in TCP or UDP, and even can be done over TLS and hence encrypted. Another channel is the media channel from where the main data is transferred. Hence, all the call is transferred from the media channel. The media channel is called as a real-time protocol or RTP, and the secure ones are called as SRTP. First, let's look into how data will be transferred in a VoIP. Here is a VoIP sample call. Here Alice sent the invite to the proxy server, which will be asterisk now we will be using, and 302 will be temporarily moved. And after that, acknowledgement will be sent to the proxy server, and the invite will be forwarded to the Bob, who is the receiver. After that, his phone starts ringing, and when he picks up, he will get a 200 OK, and that 200 OK notification will be forwarded to Alice that his call has been picked up, and the acknowledgement will be sent back to Bob, and the media's connection will be established. After that, when Bob will hung up the phone, the notification will be once again sent back, and 200 OK will be established from both ends. Now that we know the basics of VoIP, let's install the register, which is asterisk now we will be using. So to do that, we need to install sudo apt get install asterisk. This will make install from asterisk from the Debian package. Now that I've installed it already, it doesn't show me to download. After that, installing, you need to go to this repository, which will be in the link in the description, and edit these three files from the asterisk directory. I will show where is the directory. Is etc /asterisk. In this directory, if you go ls, you'll see quite a few config files, but we need to edit these three files: extension, SIP and voicemail. You will just click on extension and we'll copy all the contents over here. Just copy it and move to subl, or you can just cat it better. Sudo cat extension.conf. As you can see, I have already pasted that thing commands. We need to do the same thing for the other two. Just as go and paste it sip.conf, and the other one as this other file, voicemail.conf. We will paste these three files, and after that, sudo *r, you will get the shell of asterisk. Now that we have set up the server, let's set up the client. So to set up a client, we will download Misudroid. Misudroid is a client for a SIP VoIP, and it's a soft phone for VoIP. Now let's open it, and first we will set up the server name. Server name will be the IP address of your Ubuntu machine, or the server will be hosted. My IP address is 192.168.2/11, and the username will be 700 1, and the password will be the same as 77001. That's it. You need to press OK. Yes, allow, cancel it. After that you will get a message as registered here. That means you have been connected to the server. Now let's do the same thing with the other. First we'll go to Play Store and install Mesodroid. Now let's open it. After that we'll put the server name as our Ubuntu machine IP address as we did in the same in the other phone. After that the username will be 7002. The password will be 7002. We'll click on OK. After that you need to see a message like registered here over here as 7002. Now let's move to Wireshark. Now that we have set up our clients, let's see is it working. Show, to check that, show SIP show peers. As you can see, we need to see our two username as 701 and 702 and their IP addresses. Now that we have connected, let's move to Wireshark and we'll capture the traffic. So I will do sudo Wireshark we'll capture the traffic from the VLAN. I will give a call. This is caller 1. This is caller 2. Now that we have captured the network, let's see what we have got. So we have got quite a few data have been captured. I will just stop this and see let's what we have got or in a particular sequence of it. So to do that we'll go to SIP flows, and as you can see there have been 4 proper streams, 2 from the invite and 2 from the register. Now we'll select all and make it to play C in a flow sequence. So as you can see we have got the register from Bob. So let's rename this. Now that we have captured, let's rename it. To rename it, we'll go to edit resolve name and we'll check for the name resolution and we'll check network resolve IP address and click on OK, and we'll go do again the same and we'll mark it as Bob. And after that we will rename the Bob OS as register, and we'll do the same process for it. And we'll go down and we'll check for the Alice. Yeah, edit resolve name and we'll rename this as Alice. Now that we have marked the 3, let's go to SIP flows and we'll select all and in flow sequence. Now we can have a better understanding as Bob, Alice and register. So the Alice sends the register invite to the register and we'll get to 401 unauthorized. We can see that packet directly from here, and if we click on this we should see the packet. After that we can get to 200 OK, and we'll go below to check it. See, we'll get 200 OK code. After that we'll get the acknowledgement packet, the method acknowledgement, and the trying message has been given. After that The trying message has been even forwarded to Alice. That the phone has been ringing. After he pick up the phone, the RTP connection has been established. From here, the RTP packets will flow. As you can see, there are quite a few RTP packets. After that, when the connection has been hung up, the buy message has been forwarded, and the 200 OK message has been sent to both ends. That's the basic understanding of the SIP flow. Now that we have been understand that, let's decode the PCAP. So to do that, we go to PCAP to wave. PCAP to wave, and we will add a file that is capture.to PCAP. Keep in mind that if you save a file in pcap.ng, it is not allowed. Only pcap file and pcap files are allowed. It has detected 2 wave streams. We'll download each of them. After that, we will play one by one. It was just ringing, so let's see what has captured in another one. As we have captured in a closed environment, each phones together, there has been quite a echo in the voice. Other than this, if in a normal word scenario, this would be properly worked. But Wireshark has done quite a good job of capturing all the files. That's it for this video of SIP plus RTP, which is totally unencrypted, and it's a direct message flow. We will see the SIP over TLS and SRTP in the next upcoming videos. That's it for today, folks. If there is any suggestion to improve my video, please leave a comment, and open to any critics. Thank you.